Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to create custom Gmail labels and filters automatically. Now, open Gmail, scroll down the left sidebar. So I'm going to hit the three lines at the top left, scroll down the left sidebar. On the labels, you can see here a plus button, create new. Right? Enter a name like invoices or work. Optionally, you can check nest label under if you want to organize it under an existing parent label, and you can hit save after you name it. Now, to set up automatic filters, first of all dictate which emails get sent to your new labels. So open the three lines again, go to your labels, let's say my invoice label, right? At the very top, you're gonna see search email, right? And you can enter the criteria for the emails you want to automate, e.g. type in an email address in the from field, right? Or keywords in the has the word filter, right? You can check, of course, the box next to apply the label and select your custom label from the drop-down menu. Pro tip, if you want these emails to bypass your main inbox entirely, check the skip the inbox or archive it box, right? Individually. And you can check also apply filter to matching conversations if you want to organize past emails. And then you can just go ahead and create your filter, right? So consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.